So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to turn on aeroplane mode in a Technophone. Friends, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode in your Technophone, so friends you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to turn on aeroplane mode in a Technophone. In this video friends I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all open your phone setting to turn on your aeroplane mode. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So you will have to guys click on get this more connection setting, then tap here. Friends, you can see your aeroplane mode. So friends, you want to turn on, so at right side you can see the icon guys, tap here to on. So after turn on guys aeroplane mode guys, you can see this icon aeroplane icon on your screen. And yes, you cannot use guys your mobile data and guys Wi-Fi setting guys. You will guys, you can watch guys only download movies, and guys you can play your offline games. So like that guys, you can turn on your aeroplane mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.